day we Africans understand that the creators of our problems can never be the solution bringer of our problems, the better for all of us. The people that brought the division that we have today can never support any idea that will unite all of us, because at the end of the day, they divided us in order to put confusion, to create problems for us among ourselves. While we are at each other, they keep exploiting our continent. They keep looting our continent in the masses mercilessly, the way they have been looting it for ages, developing their countries. And while we are at loggerhead with each other, they are rejoicing. The earlier we understand that it is only by all of us uniting ourselves, it is only collectively we will be all join forces to cut off the remaining chains of this imperialist once and for all of us. We can only succeed together. We can only flourish together. We can only win together. We can only be free together. Because if some are free, some are not free. Some are still under the control of the imperialists. The imperialists will still be in those countries of people that are not free and be looking for ways to penetrate in the countries of the people that are free to cause problems there, for them to come in again. So the earlier we as Africans begin to understand that it's only united we stand, divided we fall. Because if you are an African, you understand the world politics already. You understand that these people sat in Berlin in 1889 and divided Africa to themselves. And they speak with one voice. That is what makes them exceptional. Because they can't fight each other when it comes to what they are getting in Africa. Rather, they will sit on a round table, have an agreement how they are going to share whatsoever they are getting among themselves. So, a lot of African heroes have been killed who try to stood up against these people. So, if we as a people can unite ourselves, have one voice, have one goal, have one idea, have one agenda, and move it together, they cannot overcome us. They are overcoming us because we are divided. They are overcoming us because we are at loggerhead at each other. But the day we all rise up and be united, have one voice, have one idea, have one agenda, that is a day you will see that our redemption and emancipation will start in Africa. But until then, our enemies will keep laughing at us, because we continue to be at loggerhead with each other while they drink wine and champagnes over our head and keep looting our resources.